Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do another transition. I call this one blow away. We did a fly away and a twist. Now we'll do this one. I'm going to explain the media too, in case you guys didn't see the other one. If you have a video on the timeline, and you're at the beginning and the end, the cross dissolve won't stick to it. We have to have cross dissolve to make our transition. If it's a still, it doesn't matter. You have to pull these handles back so you have information for the cross dissolve to stick, for any transition to stick. I know most of you already know this, but there's always newbies out there that don't. Put a cross dissolve on, right click on it, convert to Fusion Cross Dissolve. And then look over here, you'll see a little wand. Click on it, it'll take it to Fusion. You can delete the cross dissolve. Cut the line and bring the media in 2 down below the media in 1 so don't get it mixed up. Get an image plane. Turn the subdivisions all the way up. Get another image plane. Merge them together and select the image plane 2 and turn the subdivisions all the way up. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. Select the merge, shift space, and bender. Make it a 3D render. Plug it into the media out and you should see it in viewer 2. Put the bender in viewer 1 and select the merge. Go to transform. Under translation, Z-axis. Put in 1.325. And if you look at viewer 2, it should be fitting correctly. Select the image plane 1. Go to visibility and select back. Go to the image plane 2, visibility, and front. What that does is separate the 2 videos because they're laying right on top of each other. We're viewing only one side of each one. And this one is just a color, so select image plane 2, go to materials, and set a default color for the macro. I'm just going to go to light gray. And then select the bender. Go to the inspector, X for the axis, right click on the amount, modify width, anim curves. Same thing on the center, right click, modify width, anim curves. Take the angle to 90, then go to the modifier. Make sure you're under center. Then take your playhead about 1/3 of the way. And when you roll it to the left on the offset, you should have what's going on in my screen. Put in minus 0.6 in the offset. Then take your playhead to the end and rotate the scale to the right. And the scale should be 1.7. Okay, that looks good. Get a 3D merge and shift space and directional light. And if you look at it, you'll see it's behind. Select the render node. Go to render type, change it from software to hardware, and enable lighting. Go back to the light, transform, select use target, and set the translation Z-axis to 2.5. And on target Z-axis, 1.5. Then go up to the translation X and put in 2.0. Get this so you can see the whole thing. And select the merge, shift space, and another directional light. And go to transform. Select use target. Go to Z-axis, put in 2.5. Now we just move the light towards us. On the X, put in minus 2.0. And we want to move this target point right up to the media. On the Z-axis of the target, put in 1.5. Now we don't want the light to affect the front, Select the image plane 1. Go to lighting and deselect the affected by lights. Now it is not affecting the front. Roll it so you can see the back, and then select the image plane 2. Under materials, select two-sided, and now it should be brighter. But it kind of has a glare on it. Go to specular, turn the intensity all the way down, and the exponent all the way up. Okay, we want both these lights to operate with one control. So select the direction light 2, pin it, then go to controls, select the direction light 1, pin it, and go to controls. We want to operate the intensity of the light with the direction light 1. So we'll right click on the intensity of direction light 2, expression, then grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it up to the intensity above and let go. Now when you adjust that one, it'll adjust the bottom one at the same time. Go ahead and turn it all the way up. We'll leave that as default. Unpin both of them. Bring your media out down here. Get a 2D merge. And plug the render into the green input of the merge. And the media in 2 into the yellow input. And then into the media out, and you should have it back in viewer 2. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Move the directional light 1 above everything like this. When we highlight these, get the top 2 first. If you don't get it right, it'll end up backward when you use it. Highlight them like that. Right click any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. Make sure you're on the image plane 1 and directional light 1. Put light in front of intensity. And go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates, Edit, Transitions. Here is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name them exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. Hit save and we'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Easy way to put your transition on your timeline, put the playhead right between the two. Double click on it and it'll go right down there. And click on it. If you don't see the controls, double click right here and it'll be. You can change color, light intensity. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.